Next problem. Next I'll take you. Find the direction cosines of the lines which are connected by the relation L plus M equal to 0, Mn minus 2L, Lm minus 2NL equal to 0. Also find the acute angle between the lines. First find the direction cosines. After that only angle. Okay. Direction cosines. Here also we are applying the same model. L plus M plus N equal to 0. That is equation 1. This is equation 2. In this problem also we are applying the substitution model. Substitution model means substitute the first equation in equation 2. Okay. That is given equations. Given equation L plus M plus N equal to 0. From this we can write L equal to, that is L is equal to plus of M plus N. Plus of M plus N is take that side becomes minus of M plus N. Okay, plus of M plus N is take that side, it becomes minus of M plus N. This is the equation 1. Equation 1. Next second equation is, this is the equation 2, that is Mn minus 2Lm minus 2NL is equal to 0. This is the equation 2. Substitute first equation in equation 2. Substitute L equal to minus of M plus N in equation 2. Substitute L is equal to minus of M plus N in equation 2. That implies Mn is take it as it is, minus 2m of L is minus of M plus N. Okay, 2m minus 2m of L is minus of M plus N minus 2n of L is minus of M plus N is equal to 0. Substitute L is equal to minus of M plus N in equation 2. That implies Mn is take it as this, there is no L here, so take it as this, minus 2m is into 2m, take it as this, L is minus of M plus N, minus 2n is as this, L is minus of M plus N equal to 0. That implies Mn minus into minus plus 2m into m. 2m into m is 2m square. 2m into m is 2m square. Minus into minus plus 2m into n. 2m into n is 2mn. Here also minus into minus is plus 2n into n. That is 2mn. Minus into minus plus 2n into n is 2n square. Is equal to 0. Now take the just multiplication. M1 is as it is, minus into minus plus 2m into m is m square, 2m square. 2m into n is 2mn. 2m into n is 2mn. Minus into minus plus 2m into n is 2m square equal to 0. Here we have first m square terms. Only 1m square, so take it directly. Here we have only 1m square term, that is a 2m square, so take it directly, 2m square. Next, mn terms. This is 1mn, 2mn, 2mn. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, mn terms are 5mn terms. 5mn. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 2 is 5mn. Next, come to n square. Here we have only 1n square. That is, take it directly. 2n square is equal to 0. Now, take the factorization. Factorization means 2 2s are 4 now. 2 2s are 4. This 4 can be written as 1 4s are 4. When we multiply with 4, we get to 4 and add 1 plus 4 is we get 5 only. So take the factorization. This 5 can be written as 1mn plus 4mn. This 5 can be written as 1mn plus 4mn. That implies 2m square. This 5mn is 1mn plus 4mn. 4mn plus 2n square equal to 0 is take it as this. 2 2s are 4. 4 can be written as 1 4s are 4. Multiplied with we get 4 and adding with we get 5 only. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 4s are 4. So this 5 can be written as 1 mn plus 4 mn. Okay, that implies from this common term take just m common. We have the common is m, so take m common, remaining 2m plus n. 2m plus n. From this common term is 2n. 2n is common, so take 2n common. 2m plus n. 2m plus n equal to 0. Again from this common term is 2m plus n. Here we have 2m plus n. Here we have 2m plus n. So take 2m plus n common. 2m plus n common. M plus 2m is equal to 0. That implies here two functions, one is 2m plus n and another one is m plus 2n equal to 0. A b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or we take b equal to 0 also. A equal to 0 means 2m plus n equal to 0 or m plus 2n equal to 0. M plus 2n equal to 0. M plus 2n equal to 0. 2m plus n equal to 0 or m plus 2n equal to 0. From this m value is 2m is equal to, this n is a transfer that side, that is minus n. M is equal to by 2. Minus n by 2. Okay, this 2 is take this side becomes n by 2. Minus n by 2. Here we have m value. From this also m plus 2n equal to 0. That is m is equal to, we get plus 2n is a transfer that side becomes minus 2n. M equal to minus 2n. Here we have the two m values. Here we have the two m values. So we take the two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. This is the case 1, case 2. Case 1, case 2. In the case 1 we take m equal to minus n by 2 and case 2 we take m equal to minus 2n. That is case 1. M is equal to minus n by 2. Minus n by 2. Here m equal to minus 2n. Minus 2n. Here we need element values. Only we have m value. How we get l value? Substitute this m is equal to minus n by 2. Substitute this m equal to minus n by 2 in equation 1. From that we get l value. Okay. Substitute m is equal to minus n by 2 in equation 1. In equation 1 we get the l value. So equation 1 implies that is L is equal to minus of m is minus n by 2 plus n. Okay, m is minus n by 2 plus n is as it is. Now L is equal to, this minus is taken inside, minus of minus plus n by 2 minus n, plus n by 2 minus n. Now take the LCM, that is L is equal to LCM of 1 comma 2 is 2 only. N minus 1 2s are 2, that is 2n. N minus 2n is minus n. N minus 2n is minus n by 2. By 2 is take it as this. So from this we get L value also. M is in terms of n only and L is in terms of n only, and n is take it as this. Now take the ratio, L comma m comma n are the take ratio form, we get drs. Now take the ratio, same procedure. Now take the ratio, that is L is to m is to n. L is to m is to n. L is minus n by 2. L is minus n by 2 is to m is minus n by 2. N is as this n. Okay. In the denominator we have 2, 2. So multiply with the third function is also multiply and divide with the 2. That implies minus n by 2. Minus n by 2 is to multiply and divide with the 2. Value no change into n. These are in the ratios. So we take the cancellations. Denominator 2, 2, 2 is a cancel. And the numerators we have n, n, n. So that those are cancels. Remaining minus 1 is to, here also minus 1 is to 2. Okay. Ratios means direction ratios. LMNR in take ratio form we get DRs, direction ratios. Therefore direction ratios are minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. These are the direction ratios. When direction ratios are given, DC's formula, direction cosines is equal to, formula is a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. That implies a is equal to, direction ratios are generally denoted by a comma b comma c. Okay, a is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A square is minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is 1 only. 1 plus minus 1 whole square. B square is also minus 1 whole square. That is the 1 plus 2 square is 4. Okay, comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square. b is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by denominator take as is 1 plus 4. C by root over, c is equal to 2 by denominator is take as is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. These are the DC's, that is minus 1 by root 6 comma